Hi guys, welcome to ICO Investor. In today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial explaining you how to create your own NFT on the platform Rarible. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. Alright, so this is the website of Rarible. You can access it by going to rarible.com, and these are all the NFT collections listed on the platform. When you scroll through it, you're going to see the top collection in one day, which is basically all the collections that have sold a lot of volume in the past 24 hours. The hot bids are the NFT that are really trending right now, and basically you can place an offer for these NFT if you are interested in purchasing them. You can also check out the top sellers in the past one day, meaning these guys have probably sold a lot of volume in the past 24 hours. Then we have hot collections over here. So let's take a look at the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So this is one of the biggest NFT collection out there. It has a highest sale of $3.2 million. The floor price is 186.8k. The market cap is $1.9 billion. They have 9.8k items listed on their platforms, and the total volume traded so far is $1.3 billion. So that's pretty impressive. So these are all the NFTs they have listed on the platform. Let's quickly take a look at this one. So this is known as Bored Ape Yacht Club #6971. It is on sale right now for 99.8 Ethereum. That's really expensive. So let's say if you want to buy it, you're going to click the buy button over here and follow the process. So let's say if you are an artist and if you want to list your own NFT, to do that, first thing you need to do is integrate your wallet with Rarible. So I use MetaMask, and I've already connected my MetaMask wallet with Rarible. So once you've got that set up, the next step would be to click the button over here that says create, and then select the blockchain under which you want to create your NFT. So I'm going to put that as Ethereum, and then I'm going to click create. Next, select the type of the NFT. So single is single edition NFT, multiple is the multiple copies of the NFT. So I'm going to do single for this tutorial, and then upload the file over here. So I created a sample NFT that I am going to use in this video. So I'm just going to put it here. So it looks really nice and good. Next, you have to set up a price. So you can sell this NFT as fixed price, open for bids, and timed auction. Open for bids is basically where you allow people to place offer for this NFT. You can also sell it as an auction during a certain duration of time. For this tutorial, we're going to stick to fixed price, and then enter the amount that you want to charge for your NFT. So I'm going to put that as 0.009 ETH. You can also select any other cryptocurrency over here that you like, which is $23. Next, select the collection. So we're going to put that as Rarible. And then we have a really cool tool over here on Rarible, which I really like, and that is the free minting tool. So over here, buyers will pay gas fees for minting. So when you switch that on, you are listing your NFT on Rarible, but you are not paying the gas fees, which you would otherwise if you are transacting that without using the free minting feature. So what will happen is that it will be listed on the platform, but only if, let's say, somebody actually purchases this NFT from you, that buyer will pay the gas fees, not you. So that's pretty cool. Then give a name to your NFT. So I'm going to put that as @21 camera purple, and then provide a little description for your NFT and set the royalties. The maximum royalty that you can set up is 50%. So I'm going to put it over here as 10%. Once everything looks good, click the tab over here that says create item. So next, you're going to get a pop-up from your wallet asking you to approve the transaction. I don't really want to do it as of now, so I'm going to skip that. But once you click sign, your NFT would be listed on your dashboard. So I created this demonstration over here previously, and I listed my NFT on Rarible, and this is what it looks like. It's known as camera #2. It's on sale 0.009 ETH, and that's basically it. It's fully ready and available for sale. I feel Rarible is a great platform, especially for beginners, because it just makes the process of listing your NFT, purchasing your NFT a lot more easier. So it's definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.